Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Yes, so the market is consolidating after this pump we have seen on Monday. So that was a fake news that the Bitcoin spot ETF has been accepted, but the news was fake. But the market still bullish and just waiting that someday the spot Bitcoin ETF will be accepted. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I am bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video is a financial advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those likes is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. So let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart. We see that Bitcoin is slightly down 0.3%, Ethereum is down 0.4%, but Bitcoin is consolidating above 28,000, and this is a different level. We are much closer to 30,000 than to 25,000, and as we see, few altcoins are consolidating heavily, like Conflux, IOTA, Lido, Immutable X, but Hex is pumping. There is something happening, and also Trust Wallet is doing well. Let's see a weekly chart. We see that Hex, STX, Injective Protocol, and Trust Wallet coin is pumping. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It is at 50, so we are spending almost the past few months in the neutral zone. So this is that when things just must happening, this is a time-based capitulation. So let's go and check out our first news, that BlackRock reacts to false Bitcoin spot ETF approval news in a positive way. So let's see. On Monday, crypto news outlet Cointelegraph posted on X, formerly Twitter, that the US Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) has approved a long anticipated application of Bitcoin spot ETF, but later retraced the report. However, the post sparked excitement within the crypto community, causing the Bitcoin price to rise rapidly. Also, it went up to 30,000. The cryptocurrency's price surged to almost 30,000 earlier in the day after the alleged post was made by Cointelegraph. So Elena Terrett was the first to report that this was false after speaking with BlackRock, and the company's Bitcoin spot ETF is still under review by the US regulator. Okay, in the interview with Fox Business, Larry Fink, who said he only learned about news hours later due to him being extremely busy all day, took a rather positive stance on the event. According to the CEO, let's see, I think the rally today is about a flight to quality. With all the issues around the Israeli war now, global terrorism, Fink said, I think there are more people running into a flight to quality, whether that it's treasuries, gold, or crypto, depending on how you think of it. And I believe crypto will play the type of role as a flight to quality. Guys, quite interesting, because he's not just talking about Bitcoin. We know that Bitcoin is the digital gold with the more scarcity and with the best monetary policy, but he's talking about crypto. The SEC has also confirmed that the alleged news report was false, and the application is still pending. Careful what you read on the internet. The best source of information about the SEC is the SEC. So guys, so this is ridiculous. Next piece of news is BTC price holds 6% gains as Bitcoin battles for crucial 28,000 US dollar support. So we are about 28,000 still. So let's check the news. The crypto market is hinged on BTC's ability to breach and consistently maintain a value north of 28,000. Part of their commentary started. So this is from Decent Trader. Let's make this bigger, and we see that they are the different accumulation zone that we have this long accumulation and short accumulation. This is the liquidity map. So we see that actually now we are in the middle, and yes, huge volumes wanted to buy here a bunch of Bitcoin, and we have some sellers here. So these are the traders, and they are keeping this equilibrium. Okay. He confirms that the status quo remains despite recent BTC price moves, with 28,000 lying in a zone between major longs and shorts of varying leverage. While this pivotal milestone was momentarily attained on futures, the spot market price peaked. Yes, the rapid movements and these price thresholds aren't just numbers. They signify investor sentiment. Market dynamics. Keep an eye out of the 28,000 US dollar level. Road to Bitcoin halving contested. Many can scream they are long right now and quote that move, but if you are not taking profit, there are resistance, you're doing something wrong. I personally will not be long unless we flip that 28,500 level into support. So 28,500, the next support. Okay. Hong Kong's attitude towards crypto soars after GPX saga. What is this? Then 41% of respondents said they prefer not to hold virtual asset or cryptocurrencies, up to 12 percentage point from an earlier study. Okay. Cool. So next piece of news is that's not interesting. Let's check the next one. BTC price models 130,000 US dollar target after 2024 Bitcoin halving. So multiply BTC price forecast converge on 130,000 in 2025. I have been doing a lot of Bitcoin cycle top experiments lately, and I keep seeing right around the same price. Doing this has found the price of that last two cycle tops exactly, and with our trend from last cycle gives us a surprise about 138,000. I am prepared for lower prices, but the stars are aligning at 130,000 for Bitcoin this cycle. So these are, let's see, Bitcoin after first early top. These are some tops and bottoms, tops and bottoms. So the red are tops and the green are bottoms. Okay, green year accumulation, blue year preparation, red year new all-time high. So also the different colors, the boxes, accumulation, preparation, red, new all-time high, and now accumulation, and we are closing accumulation and we are entering the preparation. So guys, I really like it, and this pointing out 138,000 US dollar. History favors the bears. So Rec Capital, we will check this on my Twitter feed. Only at the same point in the cycle, 180 days before the halving, BTC retraced 25% in previous halvings. Only question is, does history repeat, or does 2023 generate something completely different? I'm a macro bull, but history favor bears. Okay, but if Bitcoin will drop, then we can buy more. Next interesting news, that US government among largest Bitcoin hodlers with over 5 billion in BTC, report says. So the US government is one of the biggest holders. Okay. So let's check this. Cool. So maybe this one. US government total Bitcoin sized by entity. So from BitwinX hack, from Silk Road, and from Silk Road. And they are holding this bunch of Bitcoin from hacks and from Bitcoins. But I don't know why from BitwinX hack they are not returning to clients. So I'm really, I don't know why. Because okay, Silk Road, that was a kind of some making illegal things, and then they seize the bitcoins. But I don't know why they are okay. The government Bitcoin stash is kept primarily offline in encrypted storage devices known as hardware wallets, kept under the Justice Department and Internal Revenue Service. The US government made 2 significant seizures in 2022. Seized as assets don't instantly belong to the government. The US Marshal Service, the principal agency, yes, time to time. Also, Tim Draper bought 30,000 Bitcoin from the US government in an auction in 2014. Okay, and in this year the government sold almost 10,000 BTC on Coinbase as confirmed through a public filing. But also they are speculating and they are holding, so they are also Bitcoin holders, just like you and me, but they are holding much more. Next, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust discount narrows as court gears up to issue GBTC mandate. Okay, the federal rules of appellate producer 45 days period to seek rehearing has now passed. The SEC hasn't appealed. The court will now issue its final mandate within several calendar days. The Grayscale team remains operationally ready to convert GBTC to an ETF upon the SEC approval, and we look forward to sharing more information as soon as practicable. So we don't know if after the 7 days they should approve the ETF. So I don't know how many days the SEC has to approve the ETF, but these discounts is not just 16%, and previously it was nearly to 50, so it's narrowing. Guys, next piece of news is that Roblox, this is a game, integrates XRP as payment method. So Xsola and BitPay now supports Ripple's digital currency for in-game purchases. Okay, so news alert, yes, Roblox is a game and you can purchase in-game items with XRP. And next huge piece of news about Chainlink. Chainlink, safest bet for real-world assets tokenization according to this research. So Link token could be the safest bet for investors to profit from the trend of real-world assets tokenization according to K33 research. Despite potential hurdles, the analyst believes the real-world assets narrative could potentially kickstart an isolated area crypto bubble. The Link token has had a solid month, gaining 24% in price over the past 30 days. Okay, Chainlink narrative for area tokenization. Chainlink, with its ecosystem of oracles and wide partnerships, is well positioned to connect blockchain with real-world data, making it a strong player in the real-world asset narrative. If we wish to have exposure to the real-world asset narrative and avoid being sidelined when it takes off, Link is the safest bet. So guys, Zimmerman added that Chainlink will not be the bigger gainer, but few projects are better positioned to benefit from the narrative. Yeah, so maybe there are others that can gain more, but Chainlink is the safest bet according to this. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOSDenkler on Twitter, and also push this bell notification on. So first tweet, the next 140-200 days will be the most exciting time in Bitcoin's life, the 5 phases of Bitcoin halving. So let's check this. This is from Rack Capital. Pre-halving period, 140 days. This is in orange. And BTC retraced 24% in 2015 and 38% in 2019 at the same point. A 30% drop from current prices would see Bitcoin revisit 20,000. Pre-halving rally. Then 80 days after pre-halving, a pre-halving rally tends to occur, light blue. So this light blue. And in anticipation of a halving, investors buy the hype in an effort to sell the news. Pre-halving retrace. Pre-halving retrace tend to occur around the halving events itself. Dark blue circle. It was 2016 38 and 2022 20% dip. Pre-halving retrace make investors questions whether the halving was a bullish catalyst on the price after all. So these blue can occur a huge drop. And then reaccumulation, the pre-halving retrace is followed by multi-month reaccumulation in red. Many investors get shaken out in this stage by the burden impatience as disappointment with lack of major results in the BTC investment. So these are the reaccumulation with chopping sideways movement and parabolic uptrend. Once Bitcoin breaks out from the reaccumulation area, breakout into the parabolic uptrend green is during this phase. Bitcoin experiences accelerated growth on its way to the new all-time highs. So guys, this is amazing. So I like this. You can share this. Go to my Twitter feed, share this, and you can come back whenever you want. Also, I will pin this. I don't have pinned messages, but I will pin this. Okay, how can I pin? I cannot pin here, but maybe here. Okay. Okay, I don't know how should I pin, but I will check this. So 2030 Bitcoin estimates from ARK Invest and Cathy Wood, 258,000 the bear case, 682,000 the base case, and 1.5 billion is
base case 682,000 and the bull case
is the case.
1.48
so guys,
as your
also I share this here.
To me a little bit?
Okay, I share this here. So Bitcoin is likely to scale into a multi-trillion-dollar assets, and here are the different bear case, base case, and bull case. How many percentage in different areas will be used as digital gold, as corporate treasury, and the different scenarios indicating the different price targets. So you can save this. I like this really. Wow. Give a like and share all this. So link accumulation is going on according to sentiment. Chainlink sits at 7.5 US dollar now, 30% up in the past 5 days. In this and wallets from 100,000 to 1 million link have accumulated aggressively with almost 80 million in coins. Someone knows something we don't. Older Bitcoins spike up in actively strangely around the same time. Every cycle typically right before Bitcoin puts in the massive run. So this is the Bitcoin median spent output fly span. Yeah, so spike up in older Bitcoin, spike up in actively strangely around. This cycle is no different for the past few days. The average coin age spent has skyrocketed right on schedule. Take note of similarity here. Usually when drop is complete from the first Bitcoin rise, or maybe it's just a coincidence. Altcoins on the move. So altcoins are moving. Quite interesting. Are they moving to exchanges or where? Is Bitcoin skipping the monthly report retest again? So this is the monthly support, and it skipped the retest, and now we have another monthly support and also skipped the retest. Bitcoin and crypto will play the role of flight to quality, just like treasuries and gold. So guys, watch this.
All the issues around the Israeli war now, global terrorism, and I think there's more people running into a flight to quality, whether that is in treasuries, gold, or crypto, depending on how you think about it. And I believe crypto will play that type of role as a flight to quality. This rally is way beyond.
So, hope you liked it. Live from Dubai after Cointelegraph published fake news. Also, you can listen this. Bitcoin halving, prepare for this BTC halving as you can. So, this is from CryptoBurb. Interesting analysis that 52-week correlation BTC NDX. So this is I think stock indexes. So massive rallies. BTC rallied hard after the previous 3 halvings. 90x, 30x, 7x to the subsequent peak. Never looked back. BTC never came back to the prior halving prices. Digital scarcity, mining difficulty spikes. We want it more. If these less of it, halving elections, bull year of the 4-year presidential election cycle, coincidence with halving, institutional adoption. Every halving event has historically brought rising mainstream interest and institutional engagement. Is selling BTC now on dips into the most bullish quarter of the year a wise move? Drop your thoughts. So guys, I think this is quite interesting. I will also make some other analysis on this, and we see that this moving average was broken, and also now there is something that we will see that it can bounce. CBDC pilot on Ethereum. Kudos to CryptoBurb. MasterCard tests CBDCs on Ethereum in Australian pilot. Okay, I like this also from CryptoBurb. I really like this. It needs some time to download, but yeah, so come here and watch this. Has chaining broken its macro downtrend? Here is from Rect Capital. So after this sideways consolidation, we are preparing to break this macro downtrend, and here is the downtrend trend line. Ultimate Bitcoin cheat sheet, master crypto in 2024. Watch this. This is also from Rect Capital. 5 phases of Bitcoin halving. We already talked about that. Bitcoin, let's see how this channel plays out now. And this is from TA Trader, and he has this channel. The same configuration of Bitcoin has repeated itself. In the green channel, BTC hit multiplied points to the upper and lower lines. After a period of cooldown in the orange arrows, it will send to the next level. So similarities, and let's see Bitcoin. It can go to 300 and 500 US dollar areas. The SEC reportedly won't appeal the recent court ruling in favor of Grayscale and will need to review the firm spot Bitcoin ETF application. Dialogue between Grayscale and SEC expected to occur over the next week. So guys, that was the news that triggered this fake ETF news. Okay, so chart has some similarities in 2020 and 2023, and check this: higher highs, higher lows, and also a trend line to be broken. Each Bitcoin bear market offers 2 legendary buying opportunities. Best timing is now. Guys, check this out, and sell, sell, buy, buy, and second buying opportunity is here. Global crypto venture funding hits recent lows, so nobody wants to invest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is rising, odds getting smashed, liquidity drying up, so this is a time-based capitulation. Okay. DeFi 2.0 is here, so check this out, and also use this a referral link if you want to participate in DeFi. So guys, that's it. Let's go and visit our farms. Go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity in CorionX BNB pair, and go to our farm and look up your LPs, and you can earn a juicy 50% API. Don't use other farms, especially BUSD farms, because BUSD will be pulled out from the market very soon. So now CorionX and BNB is the best farming opportunity here. So guys, and what about the Bitcoin chart? Let's see. Bitcoin broke this trend line and retested, and we opened the long here, and now also we closed this long, and now we want to come in this accumulation and buying up some Bitcoins in this retracement. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you will farm some tokens on our farm, and also follow me on Twitter, and also join our Telegram channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.